I couldn't go to school because I was pregnant ingane yakhe. I love you because now I've been in my group.
Hey, I'm sure me I can see you have spice. Do you know what's the spice?
Hey, my man.
Do you know what's the spice?
Yeah, no.
So do you know what's the spice?
Not gonna lie, where's the girl here, man?
Spice is that you are cheating on her. That's the spice I can detect.
That can never.
Oh, you're not? Not even sneaky linginyan. Lonyana just well mohola. Sneaky link doesn't have prosperity, my sister. Can you open your phone?
She's the sister. Yeah, my dad.
Okay. So my brother, you're gonna go here on WhatsApp, search I love you, I'm money after pill sex nudes, pregnancy. When's a speeding over?
He's been waiting for this.
Evo.
It's in such a
Money after pill sex nudes, I love you. I love you, yes. Umtandelan, my sister. Out of all these men in this earth, this one is the one that spiked your eyes. Why?
I know Shem Angazi. Like I can't say I love him for certain reasons. Because maybe if I'm maybe if I won't love him anymore.
My sister, you know the concept of love. Let me hold you the hand. The concept, she has all the concept of love, not the nonsense of love that you guys aeroplane love.
Even he even got confused.
Yeah, my sister. You know the concept of sex. The concept of love. You don't love a person because of what they have or what they are. Love a person for who they are. You know what I'm saying? As they change who they are, you can change on them and leave them. You see?
But now, one thing that doesn't make sense about love is humans were always changing. That's the thing. We're always learning new things and we're changing.
She belongs to the streets.
So tell me, is love real?
In the love of theories. Or go Juliet and Romeo in Paris. Or as in where's the other place? So you don't find anything? You don't find anything, my king?
And Uputi came here. If on Angfan now go as a manje.
The Umbonil.
Nimbonil as in
a soldier, a nigga. You do research everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but they matching there with the classes.
Check pictures.
It's a matching first thing. I was cheating. Tell us who's cheating now.
Do you know that if women were not alive, we were never gonna have competition?
Competition?
You.
How?
In the whole world. There was never going to be Mark Zuckerberg better than Elon Musk. There was never going to be Joseph Dari better than King Jinja. There was never going to be nothing. There was never going to be a competition. At all.
And I was not going to be alive.
Nah, God would have made a plan. We were already alive, us, my man. We were already alive. We are just a duplicate. Don't worry, God was gonna. I'm searching the pictures. I don't find anything. My sister, here. Thank you for not cheating. That's a nice thing. Hold the goat with the hand for the second time. They so wish they can hold the goat with the hand.
Look at it.
But I touch them sometimes. Like I love you guys.
Hold on,
put your
boy.
forehead there. Touch. So like yeah. Open yours, my sister.
Guys.
You know? So if you don't cheat, my sister, you deserve that goat level hand. Like, you know? Yes. If you see me one day in TV, just know my life is a movie and I did it with no CV.
Sure.
I just had a vision. Back at the seed where I come from, they want me winning. And my world is spinning. And I keep on grinding. Like you see when I'm here, my sister, I'm grinding. You know? Do you understand my language or you just let me talk?
Of course I do.
Saskochi, we're still seeing this guy.
I need to WhatsApp no pass.
He's got deleting, he's camping.
WhatsApp password.
Then
See fair, make you say. My sister, we don't need to know. We don't. You see me, I'm telling
See fair.
you, my sister. I'm being a very lovely man. This one is fair, babe. I don't need. As the way. Did you see how he touched the phone? It's fair, babe. Togela motho. Leave him.
Check it out.
But what if he was busy with passwords?
So check next when we are cheat. I see you say phone in when we are cheat. My sister, leave him.
Uyazi musu WhatsApp amuna amapassword ayithu
Why vele wena since ubuyileva sithi uWhatsApp
Open.
akuna amapassword.
Let's spawn. I spawn again if you are lying.
Oh, usayivula.
This man.
eshifese manje ayifake.
The password edecline why ufake password wrong? So ufuna ukuthi password yakho suyikho.
Manje sakakhohle password. Manje nakayivula.
Fast kanje because vele
Kapeka kuphi? Yeah.
Phuma
no, ngiyamosina ngaze ngicomplain ngami phone. Ngiyekela ubhuti ayenza into abekade efuna ukubonisa yona wena wabona
Delete nkabi.
Wena uyachita wena my brother. My brother.
naye bese why.
So happy manje so delete.
Hayibo. Amantombazana amaningi kanje.
You couldn't even finish to delete them.
Amantombazana amaningi kanje. I love you abangaka.
Awani Tasha.
Okuthi wena ulala nje ngabo I love you abayi7 uvuka ngabo futhi.
Look my sister. No.
First scroll Joseph.
Bese akusiyona le.
Phofa asikho yazini nesidingo sokuthi ngilokana ngoza because sengiyazibonela nami.
Bese ish.
Kwenzakalani la kule
You
phone?
couldn't delete everything my brother.
Kwenzakalani kule phone? Angifuni ukuza ama story kwenzakalani kule
phela
phone?
bese angithi kune group lana bese yabo.
Manje group ini nitshelana nina ukuthi I love you. Igroup yani leyo etshelana abo I love you because nami I've been ema groupini angikaze nje ngizwe ema groupini besitshela ukuthi I love you.
Ama picture wabo together lana my sister.
Khona nama notes. Hayibo.
Nayimangele. Look at him. Nayimangele dog. Look at it ha.
Wabo together lana my sister.
Khona nama notes. Hayibo. Intombazane yakuphi ke le? Mina ngekathi ngihlele la wena. Hamba yo.
Mara bese abantu sifunda.
Hawe Nkosi yami.
Uyafunda?
Abantu sifunda nabo phela.
So you are at school you.
No phela obvious.
I'm asking if you are at school. I'm not saying we're fighting.
Yo, he's wearing easy. Yo. Is it real?
Oh, my sister university too.
Uyahamba uyalapha ya esikoleni uyafika yena uhamba uya study unqono wena.
Not going on here.
He's for the study.
Mina angazange ukuyevasithi uyazi ukuthi I qualified for ukuyevasithi but I couldn't go there. Ngoba mina kade ngikhulela ingane.
Buyela esikoleni my sister. Buyela esikoleni. Relationship
noba yini.
Buyela esikoleni.
Sonke lesikhathi kade ungikhohlisa.
Akusiyona bese lento uyibonayo yazi.
Sihle waye ungenza kanje.
Mina ngimangazeli phone yakho my sister Mrs Sax yeah.
Why ungenza kanje? Angithi uyayazi ukuthi mina akekho omunye umuntu engithandana naye ngaphandle kwakho. Why ungenza kanje? Yazi ukuthi ngithathe nale phone ngephahlaze yazi. Why ungenza kanje? Why ungenza kanje? Izini lezi engizibona la efonini yakho.
Mara bese akusiyona le.
Akusiyona ini?
Brother phone utangilibacha man. Etangilibacha phone ku ina le mathata manje.
Why ungenza kanje?
My sister what are you gonna do with him?
Ngiyamiyeka mina ngiyahamba. Ngifuna ukubala. Why ungenza kanje? Why?
So manje nenzani ngengane my sister.
Ingane ihlala nama ngithi ihlala ekhaya kithi. Uzoqhubeka ke ihlala ekhaya kithi because there's nothing I can do. So ngalesikhathi 3 years yena usevasithi mina ngihleze ekhaya.
You've been dating for 3 years?
4 years. Then
ingane na 3 years.
Ngakhulela within a year. Then lesingisikhathi mina ngihleze ekhaya yena uhamba esikolweni. Uloke ngithembisa la ukuthi ufunda nje ngoba efunda uzothi masebenza uzobesebenzela mina lena lengane.
Bafunda bali naked.
Kodwa bethu uyazi.
Ustudy ngidona study shongqono.
Mara uyazazi eshande ukuthi
izishande zeziphi?
Nabo bayazi bese ukuthi kunomuntu yabo. So like into nje bi mistake angisona.
So you say my man
nama mistake konke lawo.
Phela bese abanye angiswe ushilo mos na my brother ukuthi at least bese
aweka magama dog. Yeah,
at least
stop lying bro. Literally.
Manje bese yazi lento akusemina bese uyakulabantu labantu
bezanga mina kade ngizobona nini ukuthi wena wenza lento yenzayo kimi
ubone my sister
if lo muntu kade engafikanga kade mina ngizobona nini
bese now moshile bese
akunamuntu omoshile next na kade ungazibona ukuthi uyamosha ngenkathi utadisha umuntu
mara bese labantu bese
awudelete nalawo ama pictures wakhona for that matter so ukuthi awunandaba even if ngingawaba ngama pictures because you know at some point mina ngizoyivula ifone yakho then ngithole zonke lezi zinto zenzayo
akakurespect my sister
akusho nokuthi intombazane eyi1 le ela amantombazane amaningi ahlukahlukene why ungenza kanje
it's
for the streets
right yo I can't disagree
yes
with
mina
you.
lana ngihleli sino like angishela nami ngoba ngihlela nami ngoba ngihlezi la ngiyashelwa kuyenziwa yonke into kodwa ngoba naku ngilinde wena lapha uhambile esikolweni kanti wena ungilindile lapha esikolweni awulindile ukuthi ubuye uze emakhaya uze kimi
singayilungisa bese
silungisa kanjani nto nje
singayilungisa kanjani
indlela
esingayilungisa
eyiphi leyo ndlela eyiphi leyo ndlela
kanjani
so my boy but I put his pants down be like kanje literally
machese bese ubona ukuthi ubani ukale
no
who started
wena
so
wathini
whose problem is that they started people are getting people are tempted my man when people are tempted they taste you taste so when they try to tempt you taste
thatha sample my boy
yamshiya
angisafuni ngiyamshiya mina angikwazi ukuhlala nomuntu oyilayi ukhona umuze soyakha lapha
ngeke uhlale nomuntu oyini
uyilaya mos lo muntu lo
uyilaya sly
uyilaya buti
sly everything this man
ay ikinto esokwazi ukuthi siyikhuluma angifuni ukukhuluma lutho mina nawe
umshiye life
angifuni ukukhuluma lutho
umshiye namanje
if you know ukuthi how emotional like ibhlungu kanjani lento ngiyenza yona le
still gonna get a better man
buka namanje endaweni ukuthi niyaxolisa is blaming you for ukuthi wena ukhiphe ama secrets wakhe
mina ngifuna ukuthi wena uzwe mina uzothola umunye obhetha ungawari ngalaba laba hayi
ngizomthola
bayeke uzomthola better
Joseph is giving you false hope dog. That next brew is not guaranteed. You have a baby, you look like this. That next brew is not guaranteed, fam.
azokuthanda nomngane yakho
angeke ngihamba ngizofika ngimtshela uma ukuthi lo mfana lo angikhohlisa angimoshela ifuture yami ahamba yena esikoleni yakhe ifuture aqhubeka yaba right uyahamba lapha ya esikoleni uqhubeka nezinto zakhe
uthini
my
manje
sister mina ngithi umshiye uzothola indoda
kanjani bese
lo
My bro stole alive, dog. It's shy. Stole alive.
akusindoda
isikhathi noma ngabe besikade sesijole 10 years noma ngabe sajola saphuma esibedlela that doesn't matter angithi wena ungicabangi mina mawuse esikolweni
bese ayikho leyo nto
ikhona iphi ke khona ayiphi khona like even ebusweni bakho akubonakala nokuthi you do regret something awubonakala ukuthi sorry
cabanga into obutshita
yeah ngumtshita mfethu uhamba lapha ube yisoka angithi isoka lamanyala wena ubeka ke bhuti yobisoka la manyala it's fine nami wami kuzoba right ngizothola umuntu o right
uzothola umuntu o right mawuceda uzokuthanda nomntana wakhe umtshela umntana wakhe ukuthi ambize ubaba
I'm not doing this
Joseph is being sarcastic. Umlalele mdalisiswe.
ngiyaphi ezolweni
if ebengafikanga lo ngabe mina ngiyazi namhlanje ukuthi wena unalezi zinto senzayo la efonini yakho because mina ngendlela engithemba ngayo I can't think
Look at this stand. Sorry guys. Come. Look at this stand. My boy that's so gay, boy. He's shy. It's shy.
because mina ngendlela engithemba ngayo like I can't think even ukuthi ngivula ifoni yakho ngicheck ukuthi there's something oyenzayo why uzenza lapha ngamo ethe innocent
mongasayifuna ibaby mama uyayishiya bheka
ayikho into yongimisela yona
mongasafuna ishuka baby mama wayishiya
This is rape now. This is rape. This is rape.
impama ngiyekele
yo
ngihamba ayikho into yongimisela yona ngiyahamba ngibizelani yini singayilungisa kanjani angithi wena uyahamba lapha yapi yoba happy ever city
telling me is making this all my problem
ungifonela kuphi kanti dlala ngami la uyenzela ukuthi ngikhohle then uhambe yoba busy nezinto zakho every time mina mangizama ukufonela ngesikhathi sami sasebusuku wena ubhizi uyastadisha so that ngoba naku mina angistadishi ngiyakhona ukuthi ngi-understande ubhebi khona soba right akhona ukufunda akhona ukupasa ama-modules wakhe ngicela ini angikufuni mina ngicela ini
Mshiya my sister. Shia.
Thula Joseph.
U4 years bethu umuntu oyi-1 uzofika uhlukanise. Nawe ivuma leyo nto.
My brother. When you wanna put the blame on me?
Ooh, I thought.
Don't put.
This is rape, Pikey.
Don't
Boy
put
keeps on
blame on my
grabbing her.
name, fan.
I'm Foster boy.
Don't put blame on my name, fan.
Watching that man walk away is crazy. Oh, sorry.
Walk away is
crazy. Yo.
Don't put blame on my name, my boy.
Oh, no.
What did I do, me? Phone Yo.
This one is a classic.
One more on that man. Yeah. Hey, do what you do. I'm gonna keep on doing what I do best. My name is Joseph Dad.
Ready to cut. Thank you guys for tuning in. Except things are happening, my boy. Things are happening. No Joseph promising the mommy false hope, dog. What was that? Literally, let's be honest, man. I'll keep it a bad. But anyway, see y'all in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in.